Joe and Rachel.
That sounds half fun. Hey, exciting stuff here. We had a power outage. The whole town went dark. It was like a sign telling me to get out of Dodge.
Wade must have lost his mind.
Yeah, he does not have much to lose. How's your sister? Did she convince you to leave me yet?
No, but she did tell me to check your phone for dating apps.
The only apps on my phone are the ones that came with it. And the Olive Garden.
Because when you're there...
Your family. No way. The raccoons are back. They are in for a surprise.
Your surprise better not be my tranquilizer gun. They're just hungry. And also, that's for bears.
Good. Now I know it'll work.
Tom.
I'm kidding. I'm just going to use it to scare them. Possibly to death. Love you, honey. Bye.
Tom.
Divorce. Okay, I'm in. With minimal damage to Donut Lord's property. Here we go. Didn't work out on Earth, but that's okay. You're going to a safe world. A nice, safe world full of mushrooms. Mushrooms that'll be your only friends. That sounds awful. I can't do this. You have to do it. There's no other option. All right.
SFPD! Pending background check. Pause in the air!
Cacaw!